Tutorial number 10, project tutorial 10, rain alarm. In this tutorial we have taken reference from our tutorial number 9, full tank alarm. We will use the same circuit but our sensor will be different. So how we can make this tutorial, we can make this circuit, just see that. You are watching Tronics Technical Project with Sushil Yadav. Okay, so this is our circuit diagram for simple rain alarm. As you can see that, and you can take reference also. This circuit diagram is same in our previous tutorial number 9. But here you can see that we have used an rain sensor. Don't worry, rain sensor is not a very complicated circuit which you can't make. It is a very simple thing. The two electrodes are just separated from each other in a zigzag manner. Just watch it. I will teach you how to make an homemade rain sensor also. It's very easy. Okay, so just move on. Okay, just gather all the components which we require for our project. Here also we have used a 5 volt 1 amp adapter and BC547 NPN transistor. And after flipping it, just remember, flip your transistor, okay, so that you can you can configure its pins. Emitter first, second base, and third is collector. Emitter will always connect with the negative of any power supply, 5 volt power supply, not 12 volt. Just remember, the base can take only 5 volt. Emitter will have to connect with the negative of 5 volt supply. Okay, so here we have also used 100 ohm resistor. The color code in this resistor is for 1K. Okay, so we have used 12 volt buzzer here also, and LED 1K resistor. And now this is an PCB rain sensor. What does PCB rain sensor? PCB rain sensor means it is made in a PCB. Means it is you can use it very clearly. The rains drops will strike upon it and easily wash out. So you can also make an homemade sensor. Okay, I will teach you. It's an homemade sensor. You can take any plastic sheet, put two copper electrodes. You can also put copper wires also here. Okay, just for explanation, I have used two copper electrodes here, and these are copper electrodes, and this one plastic sheet. You can take any plastic sheet, any plastic square boxes, anything. You have to remember that what is the basic principle of this project. You have to connect or complete the circuit by filling water in between these two electrodes. Okay, but the BC547 is an amplifier circuit. It will sense a connection between these two electrodes. It will send a very small current, but BC547 transistor will sense it and amplify it so that our buzzer and LED can glow. Okay, so you can also use this kind of homemade sensor also, but this sensor is just for explanation because it can easily wash out. You can make any homemade sensor. Okay, just move on, just wipe it out. Okay, just connected emitter with our negative of our 5 volt power supply, and just connect it like that. Just connect the circuit diagram like this. Okay, we have connected it. We're connecting it positive of our adapter with in between positive of our LED and buzzer. So now we have also connected the positive of our adapter with the one pin of rain sensor, and the base resistor is 100 ohm. The second point of resistor connected with the second point of rain sensor. Okay, so now we have connected our circuit connection is completed. So now what we have to do, we need a rain. So let's bring out the cloud and rain. So here it is. Now it is raining. So what will happen when small droplets of water strike on our rain sensor? So it will complete our circuit and this will happen. Our buzzer will start buzzing and our LED will start glowing. So by this way you can know that rain is occurring. Okay, rain is having. So thank you for watching my videos. So keep watching. I will upload very innovative projects in a very simple way. Thank you.